So we're getting this transmission out of here now. Here's the oil for it. 22. 2 years. Grab it in, put it on there. Delicate instruments, it says. Fragile. That must be Italian. It's fragile. They tell you to save the box in case you ever got to send it back for warranty work. I hope so. Sure, the warranty's over now. There it is. Yeah. Alright, we should be able to lift this out, right? Want to grab it in? Instructions. Yep. Let's get the rest of the cardboard off here. I'll straighten that out actually. I'll lift this up and you put. Okay. That's that. Yeah, I'll get the throw out bearing out here before I forget it. Okay. All right. I think it's lunchtime, buddy. We're ready to do the transmission install here. We've taken all our mathematical measurements here. We determined that we needed both shims here, and we're ready to put the bell housing on, and we're ready to put the transmission on. And here's the throw out bearing, and I believe this goes this way. Is it that way? Nope. No, because this goes like this, and the hole's on this side, like that. and that just slides together like that. I think the hose goes on afterwards. I'm pretty sure. So we got the bolts here, I believe. And if we've done everything properly, this should just slide in. So bolts ready here. They give you a bunch of shims that fit the bell housing and the transmission. I pulled out the right one and put it in the hole here. We're going to put some grease on that. This fits pretty tight. Come on in. Put an input shaft here. Get easier to slide in. It's not in the instructions, but that's just something we're going to do. All right. Get a socket for this. All right. These the right way. Now look at it, little jack over here. All right. It's up a little bit. All right. Yeah. We're up too high. Yep. Yep. Okay. The back gotta go up. There we go. So I'll put the jack a little bit. That's good. Right away the camera. That's pretty good. Yeah. Twist a little bit. One more. Twist it. Okay. Take these up a little bit. I'm gonna get it close. So, I think we're home free there. Stick that one in. You can look at it. Draw it in evenly. Okay. £40 of torque there. Yep. 2 wrist clicks. Okay. And that's that.